The day has finally come. One of my holy grail tools is gonna be in our shop pretty soon. Big Bob snipped us out a sick deal on a lathe.
Yeah, I got a friend that has a metal shop, SMR Metals, and it's owned by Dana and Sharon, and we called them to see if they could turn something for us.
Yeah.
Right? And he basically said, I'm not doing that anymore, but I got an old one laying around. He's giving us a good deal.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dana.
Thank you, Dana. Appreciate that, man.
And Sharon.
We owe you a bottle of Goldschlager. So, Trey, you rolled through. We got Bridget on camera B, and for the extra muscle, we're moving this big old machinery. And got the trailer hooked up. Let's just do it, man.
All right, y'all. Let's go get a lathe.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I could slide it, I couldn't lift it.
Okay, I'm just trying to get it.
I mean, just to get it out, there's nothing to grab. I had to crowbar up, put it forward, crowbar again, get it forward, and then get it on a pallet jack to get it out here on the forks. And I had another guy helping me. It's gonna be an adventure.
I know.
So Bobby's got himself a new lathe. He'll be able to put round parts on and drill and tap and make stuff to size. And as he wrecks stuff, he'll be able to rebuild his own stuff.
I'm so excited. That's all I wanted, man. Just to be able to wreck stuff and rebuild it. That's my whole MO.
It's gonna be fun to learn.
Yeah, exactly. This is the lathe that I've been dreaming about, that I was gonna find someday on Facebook Marketplace or somewhere.
I want to show you one thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's the most dangerous thing on it. Alright, so there's a teeth, like a teeth.
Yep.
Right, and you turn that and these open, so that's how you grab it.
Yep.
Do not turn that on
With the key in.
with the key. It happens.
I know.
I mean, I've come close and it'll come out and you're
Yeah.
gonna have a real problem.
My shop teacher, Mr. Zellick, was very adamant about that.
The way I was taught, you know, is you never take your hand off it. You do
Yeah.
this, you do this, and then you pull it out.
Yeah.
It never leaves your hand.
Yeah, I like that. That's the good.
But just my conscience is clean going over there.
Yeah, thank you. I have a very healthy respect for this thing.
Dana, how long have you had this thing?
It's been with me for 31 years.
Wow, that's wild. That's wild, man.
So, but I mean, I don't know. This could be 1940s.
Right.
That's awesome. Reinhardt's gonna love this video, Trey. Britt's even got her hat on.
Looks like he's gonna be fine.
That's all I can.
Now I want to force
More? Yeah, go ahead.
It's all I got.
That's kind of perfect. You're right over the axle.
I got plenty of straps if you need extra.
Yeah, Bob, he's got man straps.
Okay.
Are they in there?
No, they might be a blueberry.
Blueberry?
Yo, that is a beast.
Yeah, get some. You want to run around and grab some B-roll while we're waiting?
Go. Let it go.
How you doing, Missy?
Good. What do you have to say?
What do I have to say? I'm super stoked to have this lathe that's twice as old as me. I like your microphone. We're just a natural camera B. I love the 42 painted on there. Like somebody just painted
blueberry.
like the 42nd or something in that original shop.
That's blueberry.
That's Blueberry. You want to go see Blueberry?
No.
So, this is Blueberry. Kind enough to lend us his strap.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whose is this?
This is my wife's.
You see this thing, Bridget? Oh, stop! Close that again. One more time. Oh, that's so cool.
Fantastic.
And they got the white claws. This is your Jeep.
Beacon calling to us. We had just gotten to Swamp Kit with our son and his girlfriend, and we were futzing around looking for the package store, and that was right on the corner of the lot. And we had never seen that color.
Is this a Jeep color?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw it's in the door jam, so.
It was in the 1990s, and they haven't made it since.
What's his name? Her name?
Peter.
Peter. So cute.
Now, Penny's like that. Look around.
I know, right?
Yo, check this out too. This is our YouTube channel. I'll show
Yeah,
this is
I'm
all
gonna check
going.
it out, man.
Yeah, you should check it out. I think you guys would dig it.
Yeah, we've got some of your stickers on a couple of them. Our machines.
Nuh-uh!
Yeah.
Actually, Trey, we gotta go run
Wait,
in.
really?
Yeah, they got.
Oh,
They got.
dude.
I dropped off some Tyranis stickers last time.
Look, there's just some.
Nuh-uh!
Yo.
Get one up on the laser now.
Oh, the Trump laser!
That's
Look at this thing, Trey.
stupid.
Do you see this thing?
What?
The laser when I was here last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that.
What is
Dude, this
this?
thing is nuts.
Get
Watch this thing.
up.
Setting in it. Oh, it's in there.
It's about to cut. Gussets.
Yeah, they're cutting gussets through here.
Oh my
Yeah, Trey,
god.
they make the coolest stuff here.
What?
Yeah, I'll open it for the video too.
Yeah. That's what I thought you were about to do.
Whoa.
That's so cool. Someday.
Oh, that counts milk.
I know, that's fine. We'll get there. Look at their scrap metal bin, Trey. Tyranis has never seen this much metal in its entire
We
life.
just emptied this. This is just today. This is just today.
Was it they take it back and recycle it?
Yeah, we just loaded it up in our truck and take it off. Literally just today I made all. You gotta take more. This is all aluminum right here.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
Well, shoot. Next time I gotta build an aluminum dash, I'm just gonna show up at the door, like, hey guys, our sticker made it on the. That makes me so happy.
That's the coolest shirt.
Well, I don't want to hold you guys up too much longer. I think we're packed up, right?
Yeah, I think you're good, right?
Check out the channel. Go dig it.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
Oh, cool.
Thank you guys again.
Yeah, we'll
Dana,
see
thank you
guys.
very much.
I'm sure we'll be back.
Cool.
All right, guys, take care.
Alright, guys.
Have a good one.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay, what's the deal right now? What's stopping us from moving? Anything? No. I just walked away to get the camera. That's right.
Are you able to go?
Yeah.
Is that a bottle of pee?
Can you straighten out on your end?
Look at that bottle of pee.
What am I stuck on? Am my wheels stuck over there?
Yep.
That's
You're
what.
on the edge of the plywood.
Yeah, maybe drop it down.
Oh, like butter. Woo! Bro! Oh, this is so cool.
Thank God.
Oh, me not get crushed.
Oh my god.
Put those boards back under for me. I'm gonna flip this around to the other side and then we can
We didn't die!
right in. Not yet. Come from this side now. Actually, you can stay. Wait, Trey, are you filming?
I'm trying to make sure we don't die.
Yeah, good. Okay, we got Bridget. That's all we need. Who needs Trey anyways?
That's the question.
Okay.
Is that gonna be workable in that little corner, Bob?
Oh yeah.
You need me to move some crap out of your way first?
No, we're doing good.
Okay.
Let's just drop it right there. This is where it lives now. You ready? You got this, Bridget?
Yes.
Shout out to Dana.
Shout out to Dana. Trey, put in a nice sound effect as this drops. Oh, here's something we didn't really think about.
Right.
It's pretty much flat on the bottom.
Right.
We might be stealing your 4x4s, Dana. Hey! Oh, dude! Ah, we have the coolest shed in the neighborhood. Oh man, let's get in this thing. Let's see what they got. Oh, baby! Oh my god. Oh my god. Get a look in here, Trey. Warning, death or damage. Do not use as seatless Okay. What do you got here? It's like a big old drill index. Oh no. Oh, these are just, yeah, here we go.
It's gold.
It is, but honestly, pretty close. This is just a bunch of different, like, assorted cutting tools and stuff. I'm gonna have a lot of research to do to figure out how to use all of this. But we got a ton of tooling in here. Dude, this thing is insane. This is like the perfect size. This is what I had envisioned, because this is, I mean, we're gonna be able to spin a, I don't know, maybe a 7-inch piece of material in here. I was looking at some from Harbor Freight, but the actual slide mechanisms that the tool runs on is too high, and so you can't really get in. This thing is epic. Big Bob said it about 1,000 times today, but this is a perfect example of they don't make things like they used to. Dana told us he's had this thing for 30 years in his shop that we just pulled it out of, and it's probably from the 1940s, but she's in pretty dang good shape, bro. Look at this thing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure out how to get power to it. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use it, but I got some really cool ideas of what we're gonna put it to, and this thing is going to have another beautiful life with us here at Tyranis. And I'm so excited. Big thank you again to Dana and Sharon and our buddy Jake over at SMR for helping us get this thing loaded up and over here and adding one of the dream tools to my collection. So also, thank you Bridget for being our B-cam today.
You're welcome.
How about the truck driver?
And we got Big Bob.
The truck driver.
There you go.
What a team.
What a team. Well, bro, I think all that's left is to kick it to some B-roll. So if y'all want to see more of this lathe and see what we end up making with it, if you haven't already, slap that subscribe, hit a like, so everybody else can find these videos too. And notifications, Trey.
Oh my god. Ding!
There you go. Don't forget to hit your notifications. Freaking cameraman. The day has finally come.
It's my shadow. Hi.
Reinhardt Plumbing is one of the big boys in this.
Oh, look at all the man string.
How you doing, Missy?
Good. What do you have to say?
What do I have to say?
Yeah.
I'm super stoked to have this lathe that's twice as old as me. I like your microphone. We're just a natural camera B.
Am I still recording?
Yeah. Until the battery dies.
This is the size when my tires are already changed out bigger. Because look at the wheels. That could handle a bigger wheel.
Oh,
I know they
definitely.
do that. No, pretty bigger. Yeah. That's sick. That's cool.
Look at
I
him.
have a friend.
Hi.
Has a little bit more off-road.
Okay, rude. I'm not in my
What do we got? Battery's running pretty low. Oh. I love this video.